Welcome back. Now that we have a plan, we will get started on our first learning objective, creating and setting up your portfolio site. Our first step is to go to www.weebly.com. Click the sign up button in the upper right hand corner of the screen. Alternatively, you can click the blue Create Your Website button in the middle of the screen. Either way, you will be taken to this screen to enter basic information. Complete the fields with your first name, last name, email address, confirm your email address, create a password, and select your country. I have entered that information for you. Next, we're going to check the I am not a robot checkbox. Follow the directions given in the reCAPTCHA and click the Verify button. Next, I'm going to check mark in the box that I agree to Weebly's terms and privacy policy. You can also click on these blue links to view the terms and privacy policy. When all of these steps have been done, click on the blue Continue button on the bottom of the screen. You will now reach the What kind of website would you like to create screen. You have a choice of a business website and a personal website. For our purposes, click on the Try Weebly Websites button under the I want a personal website category. This will enable you to create a free portfolio site. You have now successfully created your site. In our next task, we will choose a template that works for our theme.